Hi guys, Darren here with another Airless discounter video. Today I want to introduce to you the Graco hopper. If you're not familiar with this, that's great because I'm going to tell you all about it. Why am I suggesting the hopper in the first place? Well, if you're familiar working with large quantities of materials, you'll find that with an airless sprayer, especially with the larger models, you do need a lot of material first to fill the pump. And also because of the incredible delivery rates of these machines, you can get through a paint tin of 5 liters, 10 liters, 20 liters very, very quickly. So that's why we've got a hopper here which has a capacity of 90 liters. This will kind of sort out a lot of those issues that you're having where you might be using a smaller bucket for your materials. Now in this case, this is primarily designed for use with plaster. So in that case, we would have the plaster going into the main hopper here. Now, because you're working with a plaster with the larger machines, most of the machines, for example, your Graco Mark 5, Graco Mark 7, Graco Mark 10, they usually come with a shorter drainage tube. So the delivery with the Graco hopper actually comes with a drainage tube that is a lot longer, and that you'll be able to attach, and it will come in. There's a space, there's a small hole here where you'll be able to get your tube to go through. And it will be able to sit in there and connect, and that's going to work great. I'll show you how to connect the machine, but I just firstly want to mention that the contraption that you see at the top here, this is actually for when you want to use a bag. You can get the hopper on its own, but you can also purchase the hopper with this bag, a roll accessory, and I'll just show you how this works. So it's like quite two steel bars here. You just place the material in its bag and everything on top. You would feed the sleeves of the packet into here, and you can work the roller around, and that will allow, so after you've opened the bag and some of the material's gone in, you can use this system to get the rest of the material through. It does also come with a metal scraper that you can use, and it's got some edges on it, the one you can use to scrape plaster off the steel bars, and other rounded edges that you can take the plaster off the roller here. Alright, so let's see how we connect the two together. At the bottom here you will have two visible connections. This one right at the bottom, that's for your much larger machine, so the one that you'd most likely be interested in working with your Mark 5, Mark 7, Mark 10 machines would be this inlet hole here. And to connect the two together, if I just come over here, you can just bring the machine close and popping in, it should be alright. You can just check it, but that'll be fine. Maybe you might need to give it a bit of pressure just to make sure that it's in there properly. But yeah, I mean, that's it. I mean, it's very simple, but extremely effective for working with large quantities. So definitely recommended if you have bigger projects and you're working with a lot of material. And I mean, for plaster, this is specifically designed for using a lot of plaster. So I think it's going to be really, really effective. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. And if you have any questions or queries regarding working with plaster, using the Graco hopper, connecting the device or anything else, please just give us a call or message us and we can help you out. Thanks again. Have a good day and have a great spray.